This video will show you how to clean and maintain the Smeg 10-in-1 countertop oven. Firstly, turn off the oven and unplug from the power source. Ensure the oven is completely cool before starting the cleaning process. Next, remove the racks and trays. These should be washed separately with warm, soapy water. Rinse and dry them thoroughly before storing or returning into the oven. For easier cleaning, we recommend removing the side runners. Simply pull the frame at the front to release from the fastenings at the side. To reinstall it, just insert into the side fastenings back first and apply a light pressure to click into place. For the interior, use a soft cloth or sponge with a mild detergent to wipe down the interior surfaces of the oven. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or tools that might scratch the enamelled surface. For easy maintenance, utilise the appliance's built-in cleaning function, also known as Vapor Clean. With fresh water in the reservoir, add a little lemon juice, white wine vinegar or a mild detergent to the inside of the oven. Run the steam cleaning cycle for 20 minutes. This is a really eco-friendly and cost-effective way of cleaning the oven, as the vapour will help loosen any grease or food residue. After the cycle completes, wipe down the interior with a damp cloth to remove any remaining residue. To keep the door glass looking at its best, wipe down with a soft damp cloth after use. For anything more stubborn and baked on, use a damp microfiber cloth or sponge with a mild detergent to lift any residue. Dry the oven before sliding the trays back into their place. As the appliance has the added benefit of using steam, there's a dedicated descale programme to ensure the oven continues performing at its best and producing optimum results. The oven will notify you when it's necessary to carry out a descale cycle. If the icon is steady, then performing a descale does not have to be immediate and the appliance can still be used. If the icon flashes, the descale must be carried out before the appliance can be used again. It's possible to set the water hardness specific to your area. For guidance on how to do this, please watch the video linked in the description. The machine is factory set to assume a medium water hardness. To begin the cycle, firstly access the settings menu. Press the right-hand dial in for 3 seconds. Then turn the left dial to navigate through the different settings. Once the display screen shows the descale setting, turn the right dial to turn on. Then press in the right dial to confirm. If there's any remaining water in the pipework, this will be drained into the right-hand side of the water reservoir. Once this is complete, please remove the water tank and tip away any additional liquid. Next, fill the water tank with a solution of water and food safe descaler following manufacturer's instructions. The tank can either be filled in situ or removed. Ensure to only fill the left compartment, leaving the far right compartment empty. With the water tank back in place, press the right-hand set button to confirm. The descaling cycle will then begin. Please stay near the appliance during the descaling cycle, as the reservoir may need topping up. The display will show the duration of descale on the screen. The cycle will pause intermittently to ensure the descaling agent works effectively. Once the descale has started, it cannot be manually ended. Please allow the cycle to run its course. This should take approximately 40 minutes. Any remaining descaling agent will be drained into the drainage compartment within the right-hand side of the reservoir. This must then be emptied, rinsed and refilled to the maximum level with clean, fresh water. Place the water tank back into its housing and press set to confirm. The water rinse will then begin to ensure no descaling agent is left behind and the pipework is clean. Again, the duration will show on the screen. At the end of this cycle, a buzzer will sound and end will show on the display to indicate the end of the descaling cycle. Press and hold the left dial for 3 seconds to return to the main menu. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.